come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. DeFi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi bully. In the world of DeFi has been so exciting lately. I've been saying, man, it's so many different miners. I'm going to take a break. But then some other ones just keep popping up that just catch my eye. The innovation catch my eye. So today I'm going to go over DeFi Temple. I mean, what differentiates them from other miners, how they paying out, a new innovative thing that they have implemented into their miner, which is NFTs, and how they will affect you, and a winning strategy. So before I get into all of those, let's please do what we're supposed to do and show respect to the page and head over to the Nasa Binkabi, that's me. Head over to the YouTube channel, DeFi Bully, and hit that subscribe button. You want a video right now, the subscribe button should be a big red button down at the bottom right, I believe. Hit that notification bell because it's time sensitive. Now, this project just launched. This project has just launched. DeFi Temple launched today. Today. I hopped in it with a quickness. Okay. Now it's still very early. The contract is 125 BNB. It's slowly and steadily rising. I believe it's still a very good time to hop in. Now, something that differentiates this miner from the other ones that I've been coming across, it says 8% plus 3% per day. So how does that extra 3% come about? It comes about with the rewards from the NFT based system that they have implemented into their contract. Now, another way that this is different, it shows your referrals. This is really good. This is really good, people. I know you see two, you probably think I got, nah, I checked it out. When I got the first one, it was like $2. The next one was $7. Now it does add up, and I am very grateful. Shout out to y'all. Y'all use that used my link. I believe that was in my Telegram group. And like I said, the Telegram group link will be down below. Bullpen Millionaires. Hop in our Telegram group. We're a growing family. We help each other out. Even earlier today, Spy Glock was explaining to me how these work and why people will jump in them early. So that's all the more reason why you guys should hit that notification bell and like this video. So when you hop in these things early, the contract balance, as you see right here, when you buy in, it has a lot to do with how much the contract balance is when you buy in. Because if it starts reducing a lot, then your rewards daily will start reducing as well. Okay, so it's imperative that you jump in early. This is not financial advice. Do your own research, but jumping in early does give you a little winning advantage when it comes to these dApps. Okay, now the way that the other 3% or up to 3% added on the 8% is implemented is by the Monk NFTs. As you see right now, Monk price is 0.201 BNB. That's about like $80 or $83 right now. And I believe they are randomized. So hold on, let me look over here at the white papers. Okay, it says NFT Incorporation. This is no average temple, Monk. You're in presence of innovation. Here at DeFi Temple, being the nature of our establishment, there are always going to be new and improved ways of doing things. And here, not all monks are created equal. So you can see there's 3 levels of monks right now. There's level 1 monk. There's level 2 Samanera. And level 3 Bahaku. Bahiku. Okay, he must be the master. Now, man, I like his outfit. He's dripped out. Yeah, heard it. All right, so it says there are 3 levels of monk NFTs. Each level of monk has their own rate in which their meditating brings them Zen. And if you look here, Zen is where you accumulate once you deposit into the temple. And man, they get it so creative with these projects. All you gotta do is like smile, invest, or just keep it moving, you know. And I believe they're also going to be encouraging the 6-to-1 thing. And it makes sense for a longevity of a project. Compound 6, rebake 1. I mean, compound 6, claim 1. All right. There's so many of them, it's easy to get confused with their sayings and slogans for compounding and claiming. Now it says level 1 monk is plus 1%. This NFT is just a regular monk owning no one will bring, owning one, will bring you 1% Zen on top of your daily returns. Level 2 is a Samanera, 2% plus 2%. This NFT is slightly more skilled than the average monk, granting plus 2%, bringing the total daily return to 10%. And then the level 3, the Bihiku. If anybody can pronounce that better than me, say it down below and then voice note it to me on the Telegram group, because I'm curious to see how you pronounce these properly. Bihiku. Plus 3%. This entity is a master monk, a veteran amongst monks. Their Zen their Zen exquisition will, why are they using so many big words? DeFi, come on. Let me stop. Will amount to plus 3% increase, making a daily Zen rate at 11%. Okay, now level 3 again. Their Zen acquisition will amount to a plus 3% increase, making their daily Zen rate at 11%. That's a lot of Zen. Usa. No problem, man. More life, less stress. I'm all about Zen. I'm all about peace and meditation and unlocking chakras and opening that third eye. So this already automatically caught my eye. So if you're interested in this, use my link down below. Show the page some love. You feel me? Now let me just run through this a little bit more. There are a total of only 1,000 NFTs to be minted ever for the pillar of Binance Smart Chain. Okay. They're completely randomized with different levels of rarity parallel to their boost level rating. Within the pillar of BSC, NFT collection, 60% is 600, minted at level 1 monks. 30%, 300 be minted. 30%, 300 minted will be level 2, Samanera. And 10%, 100 will be level 3. So there's only 100 of those level 3 ones. The cool one with the brown outfit. Yeah. You could just go to the page here and then go down here to docs. So if you guys want to take a look at that, you can also check out the contract to see the balance, the Telegram, Twitter, and all those things directly from here. Now, like I said, I had a couple dollars from a referral. Then I believe I put in $180 on top of that. That brought my Zen amount to $1,832. $1,832 Zen. I did add $180 worth of BNB into this a little earlier. I'm not really sure how this part goes. I was planning on buying a monk later on, but let me go ahead and just get at a quick, let's see. I'm not even sure if I know what I'm doing here, people. Let's see. If I press one monk, well, it's not even giving me an option to approve. I'll figure that out and do a video on that a little bit later. I don't want to waste too much time. I've been working on making these videos a little bit more short and sweet and to the point. Now the link is down below if you want to get started. If you want to get started with the DeFi Temple and possibly start making up to 11% a day. And if you ask me, that's the most I ever heard from a miner. Fork of Baked Beans. Shout out Baked Beans, the king. But yeah, I mean, DeFi Temple, it look like you're doing your thing. Let's stay at peace, let's stay at Zen. And remember, people, this is not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.